Hi and hello. We are on to the second video of twisting couple on a wire for first semester engineering physics. In the first video, we have seen about the modulus of elasticity. That too, we are going to use rigidity modulus, which is nothing but the ratio between the shearing stress and the shearing strain. So we have a wire, cylindrical wire of length L and radius R. So I have taken a cylindrical wire, a metal wire of length L and radius R, which is fixed at this top end. The top end of the wire is fixed. The top end of the wire is fixed. Okay. So at the bottom end, we are going to twist the wire. So here at the lower end of the wire, we are going to twist by an angle theta. Right. When we rotate, when we twist, since the upper portion is fixed, we are twisting the lower portion by an angle theta. Then suppose the point B will be twisted to a point C. Right. I hope we are going to imagine. The wire is fixed at the top and we are going to rotate only the lower portion of the wire. Okay. Now we consider this cylinder to be made up of number of coaxial cylinders like this. Coaxial cylinders. I have drawn an inner cylinder. Chinna chinna kutti kutti hollow cylinders we take and we make up the bigger cylindrical wire. I take one such cylinder of radius x and thickness dx as shown here as radius x and thickness dx. Now when I twist this lower portion of the wire by an angle theta, the point B will move to point C as shown in the diagram and the angle subtended will be theta. So this theta is called the twist angle. And similarly, when we look at from the top portion, this B and C will subscribe an angle phi. Right? We will subscribe an angle phi, that we call it as the shear of angle with respect to the top end of the wire. Top end of the wire. Right? Now we can write BC, the arc length BC can be written like this. The radius multiplied by the angle subtended. So BC is radius of the small disc or the small cylindrical elemental cylinder X. Right? The radius of the small elemental cylinder of radius X. Therefore X into theta will be BC. So arc length is nothing but radius multiplied by the angle subtended. Similarly, we can also write it as BC is nothing but this length multiplied by this angle phi. So L into phi, length multiplied by the angle subtended, that is phi. So we can write both BC can be written in terms of theta as well as in terms of phi. Therefore, phi is equal to x theta by L. From this we can write x theta by L is phi. So this phi we call it as the angle of shear. From the previous video we know that the rigidity modulus N is equal to shearing stress by shearing strain. Therefore, shearing stress is equal to N into shearing strain. N is the rigidity modulus. Therefore, shearing stress is equal to N, rigidity modulus, into shearing strain. N, what is N? N is rigidity modulus. Rigidity modulus. So, shearing stress is equal to N into shearing strain. This can be written as N into, that is rigidity modulus into angle of shear from the previous video. Therefore, N into angle of shear is given by this expression phi is equal to x theta by L. So let it be star, equation star. Okay. From equation star we can write it like this, from equation star. Okay. So we can write it as, instead of shear, that is phi, okay, we can write it as x theta by L. 5 is equal to x theta by L. மேல கொடுத்திருக்கிறோம் n into x theta by L. Therefore, shearing stress. We know that shearing stress is nothing but force applied per unit area. General formula. So, general formula is this one. Okay. Stress is equal to force by area. Therefore, force is equal to shearing stress into area. We know shearing stress. Shearing stress is n into x theta by L into, I want to calculate the area of this shaded portion. So I want the area of the shaded portion, right? So area of the shaded portion can be found like the x plus dx the whole square minus x square, pi into x plus dx the whole square minus pi x square. That is going to give you the shaded region. Now I expand this using the formula a plus b the whole square, right? So a square plus 2ab plus b square minus this one I am going to write here, right? Pi x square. This pi x square and pi x square will get cancelled. dx itself is very small. dx is ரொம்ப சின்ன value. Appo dx square will be very small. dx square will be still small, very small. Therefore, we can neglect. So dx is very small. Therefore, we can neglect. So this is very, very small, very, very small. Therefore, I neglect. Therefore, I write n x theta by L into 2 pi x dx. So this is force applied on an area, this area, right? This is the force experienced by this area. Now I write moment of this force, moment of this force F is F multiplied by the perpendicular distance. F into perpendicular distance, force into F into perpendicular distance, that is F into perpendicular distance is x once again. Therefore, moment of this force, moment of the force F is equal to n x theta by L into 2 pi x dx, 2 pi x dx into x, that is n theta into 2 pi divided by L into x cube dx. One x is here, one x is here, and one x is here, therefore x cube. So moment of this force we call it as the couple. So couple C is equal to n theta into 2 pi by L into x cube dx, right? So this is for the inner cylinder alone. Now if I want for the couple for the entire cylinder, couple for the entire wire is given by C is equal to integral from 0 to R. From the diagram we can see that this wire starts from 0 and the radius of the wire is R. So from 0 to R. So from 0 to R, if we integrate it, we'll get the couple for the entire wire. Right? So we take all the constants 2 pi n, right? Theta by L, all the things we'll take it out. Okay. And we have only integral 0 to R x cube dx. So if we integrate this, what we'll get? We'll get 2 pi n theta by L into x power 4 by 4 within limit 0 to r. That is nothing but 2 pi n theta, 2 pi n theta divided by L into r power 4 r power 4 by 4 minus 0. So this 4 and this 2 gets cancelled. So pi n theta into r power 4 by 2L. So that is the couple. If I want the couple per unit twist, right? If I want the couple per unit twist, couple per unit twist, which means theta, for theta is equal to 1 radian. Okay, for theta is equal to 1 radian, we write it as c is equal to pi n r power 4 by 2. So this c, you call it as the couple per unit twist. Generally we write it as, if you wish we can write c here, otherwise we can remove the c here. So let us call it as couple alone, because we'll get confused. So couple for the entire wire, and from that we can calculate the couple for the unit twist, which we give the name c. C is equal to pi n r power 4 by 2L. So this is the expression for the couple per unit twist or twisting couple of a wire. So this is the twisting couple. Entire twisting couple of a wire is this one, twisting couple. From that we have calculated the twisting couple per unit twist. Theta is equal to 1 radian. For theta is equal to 1 radian, we calculate c is equal to pi n r power 4 by 2L. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.